In this short video, I want to show you quickly what kinds of fluids you should check regularly in this car. So you have several reservoirs under the hood of this vehicle. The easiest one is this. This is the brake fluid, and you don't touch this reservoir at all. If the brake fluid is low, you will see the sign on the dash, you will see the warning light. So the next one is this big white reservoir, and if you look carefully, you will see the min and max marks on this reservoir, and the fluid should be somewhere between these marks. So if you need to add, you just unscrew this cap and add some coolant there. Then there is another reservoir with screen washer, easy to add, just water or maybe screen washer solution if you're driving in the winter. And then the last thing you could check in this car is oil in the engine. So here is the dipstick. You will take it out, then you should wipe it with a tissue, with a clean tissue, then get it back into the engine till the end, get it again out, and look, you have two holes here, and the oil level should be between two holes, just like in my dipstick. It's important to check the fluid levels once every 2 weeks, let's say, because if some of the fluid goes below the level, I mean the oil and coolant, it can be very dangerous for your engine. Also, there is no reservoir for steering, because the steering in this vehicle is electrical. This is electrical power steering that doesn't have any fluids, and it's much better than having the hydraulic one.